Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your cache files in CapCut PC. So oftentimes, if you have too many cache files in your apps, it will affect your editing, and I'm going to show you how you can clear up that file. So first, you need to go to the menu at the top and then find settings, and then go to the project, and you'll see cache management. And to clear up the cache files, you just need to click on this trash icon, or you can also activate this auto delete cache every 15, 30, 60, or 90. I'm going with 15, but if you want to just delete it right away, you can just click on this, or you need to close the project. So I'm going to go closing the project first. Okay, so after you close the project, go to the settings again, this one at the top, and here click on the trash icon and click on OK to clear the cache files, and it's removing, and now I have only 1 MB cache files. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Thank you.